Hello, how are you? This is Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner, and today I have a product try and, a review. This is Obsede. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Obsede Craft Glue, non-toxic, precision tip, dries clear, 4-ounce bottle. It's his temperature from -2 to 50 degrees and lip closed. 30 minutes to 6 hours depending upon surface and temperature. Excellent for craft making like paper making and scrapbooking. Keep away from eyes and sunlight. Wash out of clothes. Do not swallow and smell. Do not freeze or boil. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's see what comes inside here. So there's your bottle of glue. There is a 50cc bottle. It's a little crooked. This is a screw-on top that I guess you can use to replace that one. Oh no, this one will fit on this one. Okay, all right, we're good. We're working. So this one will actually fit on here. I like that this screws down because that makes this a little bit more airtight. So that goes on there. And then you have this little vial. And what do we have in the vial? We have 2 precision tips, one teeny tiny and one slightly larger. Let's see if you guys can see that. So yeah, it's not coming in. There we go. So we have 2 of those that screw on to the top here. Yeah, they screw on and they're pretty secure once they're on there. So you can change your tip size. Okay. And they throw in a pin for convenience. And we have a little lid. Alright, so we're going to try this against the art glitter glue. So, because it's the same, supposedly the same type of product. So, I'm going to go ahead and, just like with my art glitter glue, I'll give it a shake. And then we'll open it up. I just didn't want to get glue inside the lid, you know? Okay. Alright, so, it's white. We'll go ahead and we'll put this lid on because that'll make it easier to get some in the bottle. We'll open that up. And we'll put some in this bottle. Alright, I'm not going to put a whole lot in there because we'll be here forever. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and put this lid on. And I'm going to get a comparable tip. So, for my art glitter, I use the very fine one. So, I'm going to use the very fine one from here. Oops. Put the other one back in there and put that away. Put that on there. Okay, so it's a nice size bottle. I mean, it fits in your hand nicely. Let's put the pin in the top so that we don't dry anything out. Alright, this is a piece of 65-pound Recollections cardstock. We're going to be testing today with just some regular scrapbook paper and this is actually drawing paper. So I wanted to try 3 types of paper, so we're going to see what it looks like on the paper here, plus the scrapbook. So let's go ahead and we'll divide this in half. The art glitter glue over here, and the Obsede over here. Okay? This is my art glitter glue. So I'm going to put some here. I'm going to glue down the piece of scrapbook paper. And put some right here. And we're going to glue down that piece of drawing paper. All right, so immediate. It's holding. It's got immediate hold. Immediate hold. All right, let's take a look. We're going to close this up. And we're going to use the same amount of this. It's a little runnier than the art glitter glue. Getting it to come down the point. There we go. Put that on. Put this on. Put the top back on. All right. Ooh, immediate hold. Yep, that's pretty good. All right, we're going to give this just a few seconds and see, what's going on. Let's bring the camera down a little closer. All right, so this is the art glitter glue. There's no bubbling or puckering on either one of these papers. Nothing on the back that we can see. Let's take a look at the Obsede. It's pretty well adhered. I don't see any bubbling here or here. And I don't see any bubbling on the back. I'm going to be honest. If I'm looking at the scrapbook paper, this has like a little bit of a raised area where the art glitter glue went down, and this one does not. Like, I can feel the art glitter glue under there, but I can't really feel the Obsede. All right. Well, that's it for our test. I'm going to go ahead and get out our ranking system, and I'll be right back. All right, so as always, we're going to ask ourselves 3 questions. Does it do what it says? Yes, it glues paper together. It's a 5. Ease of use, how complicated is it? It's not that hard. Glue. So a 5 there. And is it worth the money? That's a 4-ounce bottle. It came with a glue bottle, 2 precision tips, and the secure tip for this bottle, all in one package. $10.49. That is a Prime price on Amazon. Most of us are Prime members. That is the Prime price for this. So is it worth it? Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Guys, this may be it, but it is our first 5-point. This is a 5-point. I may be switching from art glitter glue. We're going to see over time. But it's definitely the same type of glue. It's just considerably less expensive. Yeah. I like it. I like it. We'll give it a try on some projects and see how she runs, because we got 4 ounces of it to play with. That's it. That's all I have for you today. Listen, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends, and before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, 1 across the country, or 8 a.m. over in Hawaii. I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays, and any other time that I feel like it. Let's see. I currently have 2 things going on in 2022. The first of which is my hashtag 12 of 22 journal challenge. If you'd like more information, go to the description box below. Click on the link, and it will take you over to the slideshow that will tell you everything that you need to know. And let's see. The other thing I have going on are my free classes of 2022, and the best way to get information on those is to go ahead and click on that subscribe, and then when it comes up, ring the bell, say all, and then you'll get information as soon as those videos download. But that's it. That's all I have for you until I see you again. Stay safe. Bye-bye.